I don't know what's living in my tree, but someone's got a nest in my tree and the tree's gonna come down. So let's go investigate. I'm just gonna climb up this ladder and then climb up a tree, and then I'm gonna stick you. Yeah, you're going inside the nest. I'm wearing a glove because I don't want to get bit by whatever's in there. Hopefully I don't have to fight a squirrel, because if I fight a squirrel, like, I don't know if I want to win. This isn't my preferred method of ground to defend, especially above the ground, like 20 feet. It's not my favorite. I could be overestimating, but it feels like 20 feet, maybe even higher. Could be, but you guys, you're the brave one. You're going in. Climb this tree one-handed feels impossible. Okay, almost there. Ooh, little roots. All right, almost there. We might it up in the tree. You see anything? No. I'm scared. I don't know if anybody was home, but we'll check back in a minute. Back down the tree we go. Well, ooh, ow. I just hit my knee. Coming on down. Almost there, we made it to the ladder. Whew. Safety is the #1 priority around here. Okay, bye.